Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn numbers name from 1 to 10. 1. O-N-E 1.
1. O-N-E 1.
2. T-W-O 2.
2. T-W-O 2.
3. T-H-R-E-E 3.
3. T-H-R-E-E 3.
4. F-O-U-R 4.
4. F-O-U-R 4.
5. F-I-V-E 5.
5. F-I-V-E 5.
6. S-I-X 6.
6. S-I-X 6.
7. S-E-V-E-N 7.
7. S-E-V-E-N 7.
8. E-I-G-H-T 8.
8. E-I-G-H-T 8.
9. N-I-N-E 9.
9. N-I-N-E 9.
10. T-E-N 10.
10. T-E-N 10.
If this video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye little learners. See you in the next video with a new topic.